Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I tried out the Glamnetic magnetic eyelashes and I am thoroughly surprised by the results. So if you want to see how these lashes ended up working and how to apply them, please keep watching. Thank you guys so much for coming back to my channel. If you haven't already, please make sure to subscribe and click the little like button below. Alrighty guys, so we're starting off today's video trying out the Glamnetic magnetic eyelashes. So I know this is like the newest thing that I've been seeing as a trend. I know Ardell has some, obviously Glamnetic. I've tried some that go underneath the eyelashes. I've tried those before and that was the worst fail. But I've never tried the ones where you use the eyeliner, so that's what I thought was cool about these ones. So it actually comes with its own eyeliner. It's a liquid magnetic eyeliner. I actually got these in my BoxyCharm, and I know these run for a good, decent price. I believe it was like 60 bucks. I could be wrong, but I was honestly shocked when I read that, and I'm like, well, if I use these lashes, I better consistently keep them clean and like continue using them because I don't want like a $60 lash to get ruined. I already did my makeup. I did my eye makeup already, so I was gonna pop on some mascara right after I put on the eyeliner. So let's kind of read how to do this eyeliner. I'm a little nervous. It says shake before each use, glide brush tip along the upper lash line only, making an even line as thick as the lash magnets. Okay, so I at least have to make it thick enough for the band to adhere. It says apply Glamnetic lashes into liner once 80% dry. Do not use liner on waterline or lower lash line. How to remove, I find this interesting. It says use an oil-based makeup remover to remove the Glamnetic liquid magnetic eyeliner. Well, I guess that's good because that's how I remove my makeup, but I feel like this stuff would be really hard to get off. So I'm kind of intrigued what it means by 80% dry. So I think I'm going to go ahead and draw this eyeliner on and then put on some mascara. So here's what the applicator looks like. It's not a felt tip brush. It's a very thin brush that's kind of wiggly. So we're gonna see how well I can apply this. I'm a little nervous because I suck at putting on eyeliner, but we'll give it a go. I know the lashes have a pretty decent size lash line, so I'm going to try to make it like a thicker eyeliner. We'll see. Also, the worst part for me is the inner corners. Those always fall off when I'm doing eyelashes. I cannot stand doing fake eyelashes. It totally makes a look, but putting on eyelashes is like my worst nightmare. I get the worst anxiety right before I do them. And I always feel like it doesn't stick on the inner corners. So I'm gonna see if this like really helps stick on the inner corners. That'd be amazing if they made something like that. I probably have already made this too thick, but this brush is somewhat a challenge. I'm going to do one eye at a time. Let's try that out. Maybe that will help. Okay, yeah, you can see how thick of a line that is, but it was honestly kind of a struggle. And I'm going to pop some mascara on here. I don't even really want to cut it because like if you cut it, like you're kind of SOL, you know? Okay, hopefully that's 80% dry. It feels like it's 100% dry, so I may have messed this up. But guys, this is my first time, so we'll see. I'm going to take my tweezers with the lashes on there. Okay, wait, what? That like went on pretty smooth. I kind of messed up this inner corner here. Okay, so, well, they're definitely dramatic lashes, and I could have brought them in a little bit, but they're 100% attach to that liner on there. Okay, let me try out the other eye because I look really creepy with just one done here. The one thing I'm noticing is that I could have put it closer on my lash line right here, but when I look down, I mean, it honestly is all the way on there. Okay, that like really stuck on really good. I can't even, that inner corner went on perfect. I'm stressed that I like need glue, but I guess I don't at all. Guys, look at, like, I literally never put lashes on well at all, and these are not falling off in the corner. I'm really almost creeped out. Like, I feel like that was too good to be true, if you know what I mean. Like, I feel like I have to do something. Like, seriously, look, I am shook. I even looked in my close-up mirror here, and they're fully on. So yeah, this is really different for me because usually by now the lashes are falling off in the corner and my eyes are watering and it's just a hot mess. But these are really on. Yes, I would say that they're a little heavy. They definitely feel like there's lashes on you, and this eyeliner is, I mean, a little bit thicker than what I would usually use on an eyeliner. And sometimes when I put lashes on, I don't even like to use an eyeliner. I like to just put the lash on so it can just, you know, you can see more of my eyeshadow with the lash. But honestly, I'm impressed. I am so impressed. Okay, so I'm trying to get the eyeliner off my hand here, and it does feel like almost like the latex that you use for putting on your lashes, the lash glue, like the liquid latex. It kind of is similar to that. It is not coming off, so you definitely have to use an oil to remove this. And then it says how to clean the eyelashes after you take them off. It says to reuse, clean magnets by gently scratching off dried magnetic liner. Use makeup remover wipe to clean off remnants, if any. Do not wet the magnetic lashes. Okay, that's good, because good to know, because sometimes I'll just take my oil and rub it all over with lashes to take off my lashes, and then use like my whole face routine to get off my lashes. So I guess I won't be doing that. I guess I'll just be really gentle with these. But yeah, guys, I will insert some clips throughout the day of how the lashes are holding up. I don't know how long I'll wear them. I mean, I'm off today, so I don't feel like wearing eyelashes all day long, but I'll let you know, how they wear and if they're starting to pop off at all or if they have any issues, okay? Okay, update on the lashes. So my eye ended up watering off really bad, so like, don't mind that. My makeup's been on for a couple hours, so yeah, whatever. But even though my eye watered off, like, it's still on there. So I don't know, I guess that's good. But other than that, this eye is wonderful. Like, it stayed on all the corners, and honestly, these lashes are bomb. I wish I had like a million different styles of them because I really like them, and I love how they just adhered. I didn't have to use glue. Glue is such a pain in the butt to use, so I am like super excited by that. So on that note, I guess I would probably recommend these lashes. I really do like them. I think they really are nice, and I kind of want to review the Ardell lashes that are magnetic because these are outrageously priced and I would have never bought them unless they came in my BoxyCharm. But let me know if you guys want to see me review the Ardell lashes. I could definitely do that because, well, I love Ardell, and might as well buy some more. Anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.